Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Oggie and I've got a SteelSeries keyboard I've been waiting for a while. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below, ring that bell to get notified of any upcoming videos, and let's get started. Alright, so let's cut this baby open. Oh god, that's heavy. Wow. That's a heavy keyboard. Okay, so we got that SteelSeries Apex Pro. Open. The world's fastest mechanical gaming keyboard. Omni-point mechanical adjustable switches. PC, Mac, Xbox One, PS4, OLED smart display. Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that part of it. Dynamic per key RGB illumination. So you can set per key. Interesting. Dedicated multimedia controls. 100% anti-ghosting, 104 key rollover. They had the 94 key without the numeric pad, but I use that a lot. So, okay, we have the manual. Here's the keyboard. I'll get the cover off in a second. It comes with a hard wrist rest. I have a foam one that I like to use, but we'll see. Oh, okay, it was covered. I wonder why the keys were so dark. There's a better look at it. I like it's not as loud. This is going to go on the other PC, but let's... And then it just connects like that. It's too heavy to stay up, but this will sit on the table. I'll have to record this from the other PC, but big difference. The on keyboard, mechanical keyboard. Okay, and this one. It allows you to adjust the ABW, I mean, so you can move better, easier. Nice and quiet. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll go over to the other PC and hook it up and record.